off the dirt, toss it in the basket.
Ooh.
Okay, if you want, Clark, come on this side. Come on here, I'm gonna grab the basket from you, okay? I'm gonna center it. Come on over. You already got it? Oh, I love it. Look at that, we got the grandsons out here picking radish, don't we?
Hey, you're like the green.
Oh yeah, shake off the dirt.
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Look at the size of that one. It's like a small apple.
Wow.
This one.
Oh, that one's pretty. It's a little bit odd shape. You gotta pull. Oh, that one's big. Shake the dirt off in the garden. There you go. Wow, that one's like a.
That one looks like a carrot, Punky.
Yeah.
No, it's okay. Just shake off the dirt down here, okay? And then we toss it in the basket. It's that easy. There you go, bud.
Ooh, that's a pretty one.
Well, that's what we do with the little ones.
You can throw it in
Put 'em
there
in the
too.
basket.
Okay. I found a yellow one.
Well, you got lucky.
Lucky one?
Love of my life. Look at these gorgeous rainbow radishes.
Is this a bouquet for
It's
you?
a bouquet of beauties from my beauty.
I love
It's a munchkin. You can toss that in the basket. We're pulling up all of the radish because they're all finished, and of course I'm going to replace all of the radish with
I got an onion.
basil.
This one looks like an
But it'd be
onion.
about 2 weeks since I just put them in 6 days ago. So, look at these guys having a blast,
it.
Granny.
Oh, look, Clark, you got another
Hey,
one.
shake off the dirt in the garden. Clark, you're standing on my lettuce.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
What is
You got to stay on the wood. Remember, that's what the wood chips are for. Those are little heads of lettuces.
If you want, pick up the basket and drag it down here.
There you go, buddy. Oh, I love it. Got a little help today.
It don't take long to pick up the radishes.
Ooh, I got it. Ooh, this one looks like a potato.
It looks like a potato.
Oh, I love that.
Hey!
Oh, wow.
What's that, Clark?
Look!
Oh, that one's pretty. Shake off the dirt.
Look, I got a red one.
Here in a little bit, we'll give them a bath and package them up.
No, we're going swimming.
Well, okay, we'll go swimming too.
It's definitely warm enough for it.
Yeah.
Swim. It feels like forever. Man, this is actually
All right, James, you're stepping on my lettuce again.
Sorry.
You're crushing my lettuces. That's our salads. Shake off
Oh,
the
that
dirt.
white one.
Shake off the dirt. There you go.
That one looks like an
Wow,
egg.
you guys are kicking it. I love it.
I had a part. Whoa, this one.
Sadly, we have
Do
2
we
more
pull
rows of
over here
radishes
too?
behind them,
No, don't pull
but they're
those
still
back.
about 2 weeks away where the squashes are. Oh my, look at you, bud.
Wow.
We're gonna grab like a handful of them. You really like these plants?
You got another white one. Punky.
Look, I found a pink one.
Oh, I like
They come in
that.
so many colors.
Ooh.
Oh,
Kind of like a heart, isn't it?
Uh-huh. It's like a heart. It's my
oh,
heart.
what the?
It's a heart for the love of my life.
Another yellow one, two
'Cause you're
yellow
my heart.
ones.
Thank you.
I got
I love
this
it.
one.
Oh,
I get
you
two
even
yellow
kissed it. Why don't you get over here and
ones.
kiss me? Mm-hmm.
I got two yellow ones. Look at this one.
Oh,
Oh, that
looks
one's
like
funny
a
looking.
carrot.
Yeah, there's a red carrot there. I got another bouquet of.
Oh. Final one.
Final?
Clark's learned how to
All
do
right.
4 at a time.
Yeah, Clark doesn't waste that time. You're going to be a good farmer one day, young man.
All right, well, that's it.
That's it, guys. Here you go. You want to toss that in the basket? Don't stand on my lettuces.
Hey, Clark,
Hey, guys.
James, what do you think about harvesting all of the radishes?
That actually was pretty fun.
Was it?
Yes,
love
that's
it.
2 weeks away. We'll do that in 2 weekends.
All right, well, say bye to everybody.
Bye.